Today we are going to start session number 2 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes, and we are going to start with cylinder. Already you have studied in class 8. चलो recollect कर लेते हैं. The solid likes measuring jars, circular pillars, circular pencils, and circular pipes, road rollers. Have you seen road rollers? और क्रिकेट
Yes,
में देखे होंगे पिच को फ्लैट करने के लिए रोलर यूज करते हैं, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
is
yes,
also an example of cylinder. Gas cylinder, etc. are said to have a cylindrical shape. So this is the shape actually, and this is the radius and height. इसमें दो ही पैरामीटर है, एक radius और height. So what is the lateral surface area of cylinder? Okay, now listen to me. The lateral surface area is in the form of curve. ठीक है, सर्कुलर होता है, कर्व के फॉर्म में होता है. दैट इज व्हाई वी यूज्ड टू से लैटरल सरफेस एरिया एज कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया. सो व्हाट इज द कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर?
Pi RH.
2 pi r है.
देखो एक मिनट, इसका पेरीमीटर कितना है बता, बेस का. व्हाट इज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ बेस सर्कल?
2 pi r.
2 pi r. So in cuboid and in cube also I told you that lateral surface area, that is area of 4 walls in case of cuboid and cube, lateral surface area is equals to perimeter of base into height. So here also same formula is there, perimeter of base into height. So what is the formula of curved surface area?
2 pi r next.
2 pi
Right.
RH.
So first formula is 2 pi RH. Okay, and the second is total surface area. Total surface area में ये दोनों circle add कर दो. What is the area of one circle? Area of one circle,
pi r
Pi r
square.
square.
pi r square. So how many circles are there? 2.
2.
So 2 pi r square we have to add with the curved surface area. So we'll get the total surface area. इसमें 2 pi r common ले लो. So we'll get 2 pi r into r plus h or h plus r. Now for volume also same technique is there, same method is there. Area of base into height. What is the area of base?
Pi r square.
R square.
Right,
Pi r
pi
square.
r square. And what is the height? H. So what is the volume of cylinder?
Pi r
Pi r
square.
square H.
Right, area of base into height, that is pi r square h. So all these three formulas you have already studied, and the next exercise 13.2 is based on this two formula only, and 13.6 exercise is based on volume. Okay, yesterday I told you first 4 exercise is based on surface area only, and the last 4 exercise is based on volumes. Okay, so let us start with the first question of exercise 13.2. The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height is 88 centimeter square. So curved surface area को short form में CSA बोलते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. तो CSA of cylinder is given 88 centimeter square and the height is given. We need to find the diameter. So what is the formula of curved surface area of cylinder?
2
2
pi
pi
r.
r.
2 pi RH. Okay, so whatever the things given, that we are going to write first. Height is given 14 centimeter and we are going to take this is height 14 centimeter, and the radius we are going to take r centimeter. Okay, and the curved surface area, it is given 88 centimeter square, and we know that curved surface area, the formula is 2 pi RH. Okay, so 2 pi RH is equals to 88. Now substitute all the values here, that is pi and r. One thing I would like to tell you, that if the value of pi is not given, then we have to take 22 by 7. Okay, that is the default value of pi. If the value of pi is given in the question 3.14 अगर दिया हुआ है, so that value only you have to take. You can't take 22 by 7 on your wish. Is that clear? So 2 into
Yes, sir.
22 by 7 into r into 14 is equals to 88. See, this two can be cancelled. Okay, so what we are going to get on the left hand side?
88.
88 R. Okay, na? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So we are getting, or if you want to shift all this side, so you can shift. और दूसरा तरीका अभी हम लोग मैंने बताया था, इसको अगर पूरा हम लोग यहीं पे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 88 R इज इक्वल्स टू 88 आ रहा है. ओके, दैट मीन्स, और यहाँ पर भी कैंसिल करना तो कर सकते हो. 22 पूरा शिफ्टिंग करने के बाद कैंसिल कर सकते हो. सो ये 2 2 4 और 4 डिवाइडेड बाई 4 1 हो जाएगा. नाउ व्हाट इज द डायमीटर?
2 centimeter.
Centimeter.
Yes, diameter is 2 centimeter. That is 2R. Okay. Any doubt up to here?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. So now let us move towards the next question. That is question number 2. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Okay, a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter, base diameter is 140 centimeter. Find from a metal sheet how many square meters of the sheet are required for the same. Closed cylindrical tank means we have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. So उसके लिए क्या क्या हम लोग के पास होना चाहिए? What is the parameter? What is the value required with us? H and R. H is given 1 meter, and but radius is diameter is given in terms of centimeter. So first we will write the radius of the base of the tank is R centimeter, and diameter is given, that is 2R. So what is the value of R from this?
70 centimeter.
70 centimeter.
Centimeter. Okay, but the other is in meter, and our answer is required also in terms of square meters. So we need to convert this in meters. So how will you convert?
Dividing it by 100.
डिवाइडिंग बाय 100 ओनली, क्योंकि यहाँ पे सेंटीमीटर है. ओके, अगर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर रहता तो दो बार डिवाइड करते हैं, राइट. सो वी आर गेटिंग 0.7 मीटर, और यू कैन राइट 7/10 आल्सो. फाइन. नाउ हाइट इज गिवन 1 मीटर. नाउ द टोटल सरफेस एरिया, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ टोटल सरफेस एरिया?
2 pi r into r plus h.
2 pi r into r plus h. Very good. Okay, so now we are going to substitute the value of pi, r and h. Okay, so substitute करते हैं. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into 0.7 plus 1. Okay, so we can cancel this to 0.1. So or you can multiply it and then cancel. ठीक है, अभी फिलहाल मैं यहाँ पे कैंसिल कर दिया हूँ. So now this is 44 and this is 0.17. If you multiply all this, you will get 7.48 meters square. Hence 7.8 meters square metal sheet is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now next question. Now this question is very good question. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The length of this metal pipe. Okay, यहाँ से यहाँ तक. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter, and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and the total surface area. Okay, so let us start with the length of the pipe. What is the length of the pipe? It is given 77
centimeter.
Okay, and this we will take it as a height. ओके, जो पाइप जो रहता है वो सिलेंड्रिकल फॉर्म में रहता है, और पाइप का जो लेंथ जो होता है वो दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ द सिलेंडर. ओके, सो लेंथ ऑफ पाइप इज गिवन 77 सेंटीमीटर and inner diameter is given 4 centimeter. So what is the inner radius?
2 centimeter.
Right,
2 centimeter.
2 centimeter. Fine. And now as the pipe I already told you that the pipe is in the cylindrical form. So inner curved surface area will be equals to CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi RH. Right? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Now
No,
we'll
sir.
substitute all the values. Pi क्या substitute करेंगे pi का यहाँ पर? क्वेश्चन में
22 by
कुछ भी नहीं दिया है.
22 by 7.
Right, 22 by 7 into 2 into 77. क्योंकि लेंथ का पाइप का जो लेंथ है that is considered as a height of cylinder, so we are going to substitute 77 in place of h. Okay, so अब ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. So 22 into 22 into 2. Okay, this is 22, this is 22 into 2. So we are getting 968 centimeter square. So this is the inner curved surface area. Like that we have to find outer curved surface area. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Outer diameter is given. What is that outer diameter?
4.4.
Right. So what is the outer radius?
2.2.
2.2 centimeters.
Right, 2.2 centimeter. Now we have already taken small r for the first bit. So here we are going to take the capital R. So outer जो surface होगा वो भी cylindrical form में होगा, and that is equals to the CSA of cylinder, that is 2 pi capital RH. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll substitute all the values. Again, these two can be cancelled. So 2 into 22 into, or else what we can do, हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ये 22.2 को 22 by 10 भी लिख सकते हैं ऐसे. Okay, so now cancel it. This is 11. 44 into 22. 44 into 22 into 11 upon 10. So this will be almost 1064, I think 1064.8 centimeters square. Right? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
This is the
No,
outer
sir.
curved surface area. Now we have to find total surface area. So total surface area, ध्यान से देखो जो मैं यहाँ पे फिगर बना रहा हूँ. This is the top view. This is the top view. Okay. और ये small r है, and this is capital R. So this is small r, this is capital R. Now how will you find this area? Anybody?
Using capital R.
No. See, area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Got my point? Class 7th में पढ़े थे रिंग का फॉर्मूला, एरिया ऑफ रिंग. एरिया ऑफ आउटर सर्कल माइनस एरिया ऑफ इनर सर्कल. क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start. There are two circles of radii 2 centimeter and 2.2 centimeter at both ends. See this one. This is the one end. And area of two edges of the pipe. क्योंकि ऊपर भी सेम है और नीचे भी सेम है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको 2 times लेंगे. 2 times area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Area of outer circle is pi capital R square. Area of inner circle is pi small r square. Now we can take pi common from this. Okay. Now we'll substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7. This is 2.2 and this is 2. Okay. 2.2 whole square is 4.84 and this is 4. Right. So ये मिल जाएगा 0.84. Now this 2 we can cancel it. 0.12 into 44. You will get 5.28 centimeter square. So this is the area of both the ends. Now total surface area में आ जाएगा inner cut surface area, outer cut surface area and the area of two edges. Right? Hence the total surface area of the pipe will be equals to inner CSA, outer CSA plus area of two edges. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to add up all the values. So first इनर कर्ड सरफेस एरिया 968 आया था, and this is 1064.8, and this is 5.28. If we add up all this, we'll get the answer, that is 2038.08 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we'll move towards the next question. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Okay. Question clear है? 500 complete revolution ले रहा है उसको level करने में, तो इतने में जितना एरिया कवर करेगा that will be the area of playground. Now when we roll the roller one rotation, how much area it will cover? See, this is the roller. इसको एक बार जब हम लोग रोटेट करेंगे, so it will cover the curved surface area. Total area of the playground is equals to curved surface area in one rotation. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 500 revolution में कितना वो area cover कर रहा है, that we are going to find. That is 500 into CSA of the roller. So let us start with the diameter 84 centimeters. So what will be the radius?
84 by 2
Right, 84 by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Now the length is given 120, that will be the height, क्योंकि roller जो है वो cylindrical shape होता है, right? Roller is in the shape of a cylinder, so this is considered as height, and curved surface area of roller is equals to 2 pi RH. Now we are going to find 2 pi RH value. 2 into 22 by 7 into the value of R is given, we have, that is 42, and H is 120, and this we can cancel it. Okay. तो अगर पूरा मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वी आर गेटिंग 31,680 centimeter square. Now I want to convert it into meter square. How?
By dividing by 100 into 100.
Yes, by dividing it by 200s. क्यों? क्योंकि 1 centimeter square is equals to 1 upon 100 into 100 meter square होता है. Right, so we are getting finally 3.1680 meter square for one revolution. So for 500 revolution, 500 into this one. ठीक है? So now the area leveled by roller in one revolution is this one. So in 500 revolution, 500 multiply कर दो. So if you multiply 500, ये 2 0 हटा दोगे तो डेसिमल पॉइंट यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. ठीक है, 316.8 into 5, that is 1584 meter square. So this is the area of the playground. Okay, why? Because area of the playground will be the area leveled by roller in 500 revolution, and that is nothing but that is 1584 meter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter. Pillar देखिए ना, cylindrical pillar. The diameter is given 50 centimeter and the height is given 3.5 meter. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So diameter is given 50 centimeter. So what is the radius?
25.
25. बट दूसरा अभी जो मीटर स्क्वायर का रेट दिया हुआ है तो इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है. How will you convert?
0.25.
25 by 100, or I will take it as a 1 by 4. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Instead of writing in decimal, I'm writing it as 1 by 4. Okay. Now height of the pillar is given 3.5 meter, and curved surface area, the cost of painting we have to find. So we need to find first CSA. What is the curved surface area of pillar?
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
Very good. 2 pi RH. Now we'll substitute all the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1 by 4 into 3.5. ठीक है, ये 3.5 को डेसिमल हटा देते हैं. राइट, आप डिवाइड करते हैं. दिस कैन बी डिवाइड, ये दोनों को डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 5 आ रहा है, 2 2 ज़र, देखो ध्यान से जो डिवाइड कर रहा हूं मैं. So what we are getting?
11 by 2.
Right, 11 by 2 meter square. 11 by 2 meter square. Now cost of whitewashing or painting, it is given 12.50 per meter square. That is 1 meter square का cost दिया हुआ है 12.50. So what is the area? What is the total cost for this area? 12.50 into 11 by 2. Okay, so you divided this to 6.25 into 11, so you will get 68.75. This is the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so now next question we are going to do. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is given 4.4 meter square, and if the radius of the base of cylinder is 0.7 centimeter, find its height. This is very easy question. Why? Because the formula of curved surface area is 2 pi r h. दो ही पैरामीटर है, r और h. ठीक है, और r दिया हुआ है, h निकालना है, and CSA it is given. Right, we'll start with the curved surface area that is given 4.4 meter square. And what is the radius is given?
0.7.
Right, 0.7 meter. And let the height of the cylinder be h. Now, what is the CSA formula?
2 pi RH.
2 pi r.
Okay, that is equals to 4.4. Now we'll substitute all the values. 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into h is equals to, ठीक है, 4.4. इन दोनों को कैंसिल कर देते हैं. और what can you do? इसको 7 by 10 और इसको 44 by 10 करके 10 10 भी कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. वो नेक्स्ट स्टेप में करते हैं हम लोग. सो 44 इंटू 0.1 इंटू h इज इक्वल्स टू 4.4. सो नाउ रिमूव द डेसिमल. 1 by 10, 44 by 10. Now 10 10 cancel. What is the value of h?
1 centimeter.
Right, we'll get 1 meter, not centimeter, 1 meter. So therefore the height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is very good question. The inner diameter of circular well, जो well जो होता है, that is in the form of cylinder. Okay, this is the depth. Okay, ये डेप्थ है 10 मीटर और द रेडियस ऑफ इनर डायमीटर इज गिवन 3.5 मीटर डायमीटर है, उसको डिवाइड बाय 2 करेंगे तो इतना आएगा. सो वेदर दिस डायग्राम इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ओके,
sir.
फाइन. क्योंकि ये सिलेंडर के फॉर्म में, दैट यू शुड नो. ओके, अब नाउ व्हाट इज गिवन, दैट आई एम गोइंग टू राइट. इनर डायमीटर इज गिवन 3.5 meter and depth is considered as the height of the cylinder. Okay, so inner radius will be 3.5 by 2, that is 1.75 meter. We need to find inner curved surface area. What is the formula of curved surface area?
2 pi
2
RH.
pi RH.
Right, so depth of well is 10 meter, that is h, and the well is in the form of cylinder. So inner surface area will be 2 pi RH. Now we'll substitute the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 10. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम लोग? 1.75 को 175 by 100 लिखेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, उसके बाद कैंसिल करते हैं. राइट, नाउ दिस कैन बी कैंसल्ड. ये दोनों कैंसिल कर सकते हैं कितने में? 25. राइट, अगेन 25, 4. ध्यान से देखो जो कैंसिल कर रहा हूं. 2 यहाँ पे कैंसिल हो गया. 1 more 2 we can cancel here. So what is the final answer?
110.
110
Right,
meter.
110 meter square. Good. Now the cost of plastering this CSA at the rate of rupees 40 per meter square. That means cost of plastering 1 meter square is rupees 40. So what is the total cost?
110 into 40.
Yes,
110
40 into 110. That is 4,400 rupees. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now question number 8. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. ओके जो सिलेंडर हॉट वाटर हीटिंग सिस्टम जो होता है उसमें ये सिलेंड्रिकल पाइप ही जो रहता है वो रेडिएट करता है पूरा जो गर्म करता है पानी को राइट तो हम लोग को क्या करना है सबसे पहले इसमें वो भी द कर्ड सरफेस एरिया पार्ट ओनली नॉट द होल पार्ट ओनली द कर्ड सरफेस एरिया पार्ट विल रेडिएट द हीट क्लियर so what we have to find here CSA. What is the formula of CSA?
2 pi
2
r.
pi RH.
Right.
2 pi r.
So height दिया हुआ है इसमें 28 meter and let the radius is r and diameter is 5 meter. So how will you write 5 meter radius then?
2 by 2. 5 by 2.
2.5.
Right. R is equals to 5 by 2. We'll write 5 by 2 centimeter. Okay. And this we will convert into centimeter. उसके बाद भले मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे सो 2800 centimeter. Okay, now radiating surface is the outer curved surface area of the cylindrical pipe. So curved surface area of pipe 2 pi RH. Now we'll substitute all the value 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 by 2 into 2800. ये एक 2 cancel हो गया and this also we can cancel it 400. Okay, so we are getting 111 44,000 centimeter square. Now how will you convert it into meter square?
Dividing by
200. Okay, or 10,000. So what is the answer?
4.4 meters.
4.4.
Right, 4.4 meter square. This is the final answer. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
no,
No,
sir.
sir.
So now we are moving towards the question number 10. Ninth question we will take up in in next session. Okay. So in figure 13.12 you see the frame of lamp shade. ये पूरा lamp shade है. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter 20 centimeter and height 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and also bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. Okay, if you see this figure, the frame is divided into 3 cylindrical parts and this is the lampshade, the second part. ऊपर वाला जो पार्ट है ये भी क्लॉथ है और नीचे वाला पार्ट जो है ये भी क्लॉथ है. सो यहाँ से इसको फोल्ड करेंगे. इफ यू सी केयरफुली दिस विल फॉर्म अ बिग सिलेंडर. अगर ये तीनों को कंबाइन करते हैं तो एक बड़ा सिलेंडर बन रहा है. आर यू एबल टू गेट दिस वन?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and what will be the height of the big cylinder? This plus this plus this. Clear?
35.
Right.
35
Very good.
centimeters.
Okay. So now the height of each of the foldings at the top and bottom is 2.5 centimeter, and height of this frame is also given 30 centimeter, and the diameter is given 20 centimeter. So what will be the radius?
10.
Right, radius will be 10 centimeter. Now just now I told that if we take all together it will form a big cylinder. The 3 cylindrical parts will together form a complete one big cylinder whose height is h dash is equals to 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is equals to 35. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now if we want to find the area of the cloth, so area of the cloth will be equals to curved surface area of the big cylinder. And what is the formula for this one?
2 pi RH.
Yes, 2 pi r h dash, because we took h dash. Okay. So now we'll substitute all the values. ये दोनों cancel हो रहा है. Okay. So 2 into 5 10 होता है. 22 into 10 into 10 you will get 2200 centimeter square. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving toward the last question of the exercise, that is 11th question. The students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making the decorative pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base using cardboard. Each pen holder was to be of radius 3 centimeter, height 10.5 centimeter. Now the Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard was required to be bought for the competition? So first of all, जो हम लोग का जो पेन होल्डर का जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो कुछ ऐसा होगा, cylindrical form, and this part is open. Okay, so how much uh, cardboard is required is that the curved surface area and the area of base. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the radius is given 3 centimeter, height is given 10.5 centimeter, and cardboard required for the pen, one pen holder is, just now I told you that CSA plus area of base. Now what is CSA formula?
2 pi RH.
Very good. Area of base?
2 pi R.
Pi
Area
r
of pi r square. Pi r square. So we will take common from these two. So we will take pi r common. Now again, after that we'll substitute all the values. So 22 by 7 into 3 into 2 into 1, 10.5 plus 3. So this will become 21 plus 3. So 22 by 7 into 3 into 24. What we will do, we will keep like that. Or if you divide, what you will get, that I am going to show. Okay. और ऐसे ही रखने के बाद सॉल्व करने से कितना जल्दी आएगा आंसर देखो. फर्स्ट हम लोग पूरा डेसिमल में सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. If you multiply all these 3 and divide by 7, we'll get 226.28 centimeter square. Round up, approximate. Now, how many cardboards are there? How many competitors? 35.
35.
So एक competitor को इतना पेन चाहिए, इतना cardboard चाहिए. So 35 competitor को we have to multiply with 35. Okay, 226.28 into 35 will get approx 7919.8. So round up करना पड़ेगा 7920 centimeter square. Okay, fine. Now, just now I told you that you leave the answer in this form only. So what you will get if you leave? यहीं पे मैं into कर रहा हूँ, देखो ध्यान से, into 35, क्योंकि 35 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता. So ये कैंसिल हो रहा है, will get 5. Now see, no decimal part will be there. So 22 into 5 is 110, and this is 72. 72 into 110 you will get 7920. So इसलिए मैं बोल रहा था कि इसको ऐसे ही छोड़ो, क्योंकि this is not our the final answer. We have to multiply with 35. Okay. अगर क्वेश्चन में अगर पूछा होता, if it has been asked that find the cardboard required for one pen holder, then find the cardboard required for 35 competitors, then we can do it in this way. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, now we are moving towards the last section, that is assignment questions. Please take up the screenshot so that you can complete the assignment questions, because by evening only I will be able to upload. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.